Today I'm going to be showing you how to purchase hosting and domain from Ardent Server. Trust me, it is very simple and straightforward. So there are two ways to do it. If you already have an account on Ardent Server, you can do it from your user dashboard. You can click on domain section or register a new domain, punch in the domain name here and then click on register. It will take you through the registration process. Or you can click on domains and you can see no domains registered with us, then register a new domain. It's going to take you down here where you can search for the domain name, but for now I'm going to take you through the process of purchasing hosting and domain from the home page, the Ardent Server home page. So the first thing you want to do once you search for ardentserver.com, the first thing you're going to meet is find the perfect domain name. So you can punch in whatever domain name you feel like. So let's go for Ardent Server tests.com. So from this spot you are going to see congratulations, Ardent Server tests.com is available. You understand? So once the domain you want to purchase is available, you can punch in whichever domain name you, your clients, or your firm wants to purchase. You can punch in that domain name and then check if it's available or not. Let's go for Ardent Server and then let's see how it will look like if the domain is already purchased. You can see domain ardentserver.com is not available because it has already been purchased already. So let's go for the tests and search add to cart because it's available. So now that it is in our cart, you can see the price for the domain and then add to cart. So once you add it to cart, it's going to take you through the process of actually buying the domain. You understand? You click on continue. So this is the next page you get to. DNS management and ID protection. I always suggest you get your DNS management and ID protection, especially the ID protection. And you see a small notification here saying no hosting, click to add. So here is the button where you use to purchase hosting. You understand? And if you scroll down, you're going to see the name server section. So if you already have hosting elsewhere and you just want to purchase a domain, you can punch in the name server of the hosting you already have. You understand? So if for example you are using whichever hosting and you purchase a domain from Ardent Server, that hosting is going to come with a name server. So all you need to do is punch in or put in the name server you are given in the name server 1, name server 2. If they provide you with 3, 4, 5, just put it here and then continue. But now we want to go ahead to purchase hosting. So you click on hosting, no hosting click. So I click on that button and then you go for whichever hosting you want to go for. Do you want to go for shared basic, shared classic, shared premium? If you fancy WordPress, you can go for the WordPress hosting, but yeah, we are going to go for the shared premium. So now here it is asking, do you want to use the domain you already have in your shopping cart or you want to register a new domain? But since you already have a domain in the shopping cart, you can just use that option and press use. So now the next point is, do you want to pay monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually? So it depends on whichever billing cycle you want to go for, but for now let's go for the annual billing cycle and continue. So okay, now you can see the button has changed. Now you have hosting, you already selected hosting. Now DNS management and ID protection. So we continue. So now this is where you're going to go ahead and pay. Understand? So this is the breakdown of what you want to purchase. Share those things for the domain ardentservertest.com, and you want to purchase a domain name ardentservertest.com with DNS management and ID protection. So if you have a promo code, you can put in the promo code there, but for now there's no promo code. And billing details, I'm already logged into an account, so I just select this. But if you don't have an account, you can just click on create an account, and you only have one payment method, which is Paystack, and that's that. You click on I have read and agree to return, so checkout. So when you click on checkout, it's going to take you to the payment gateway, and then you go ahead and pay. So that is all about purchasing hosting and domain from Ardent Server.